Hi, I'm Kenny. I'm your Appliance Care Specialist. Today I'll be sharing with you some maintenance tips for the oven. Oven is a common appliance found in all households. For Bosch, we have 4 different kinds of oven. This is the oven with steam function. This is where you insert the water tank. Oven with microwave function. Oven with pyrolytic cleaning. And oven with eco cleaning. This is our basic model. For pyrolytic cleaning oven, it has a function that can heat up to 500 degrees Celsius and actually burn off excess burn stain as well as oil. This is the oven that comes with eco clean function. Take a look at the back of the walls. It's actually rough. So the rough wall actually will repel those oils as well as stains throughout the heating process. While doing cleaning, we just need to concentrate on the sides as well as the base. So no cleaning will be required on the back of the wall, the heating element as well as the fan control unit. Here I have with me some of the best-selling accessories for our oven. This is a telescopic rail. It aids in the easy removal of the oven trays during cooking. Some of you will be asking me how to remove the telescopic rail. Firstly, remove the trays from the oven. Take a look, there's a push button here. Gently push, and then you can remove it for cleaning. Next I have with me is the air fry tray. It's alike to an air fryer, which has bigger space for you to grill your vegetables. We also have different kinds of oven trays for different cooking methods. As you can see, there's a shallow and one deeper in depth. The shallow one is more for pastry, and the deeper one is for roasting of meats to collect the juices. Let me show you how we can use our Bosch cleaning gel and oven spray to actually clean up the whole oven. There are oil splattered around the inner cavity and the walls of the oven. So to reach hard targeted areas, we have the cleaning gel spray. Just remember not to spray on the fan area as well as the heating elements. Look what we have got here, a badly stained oven tray. The cleaning gel comes with a soft light blister to rub on the surface. After 2 hours, we use a damp cloth and gently run through the oven tray. You can see that the dirt deposit and the burn bits has already been removed. As you can see, there are burn bits on the tip of this brush. Not to worry, we can actually run it with running water and then we can clean it up and prepare it for the next application. Thank you for watching. Hope you have learned something useful in today's session. See you again.